people, namaste and welcome to Yoga and You with me Garima Bhandari. And today's practice is all about all level yoga for all the people who are trying to bring an intention to their mat every day. This is a routine that can be practiced anytime, anywhere. If you don't have time in the mornings, there is no problem. Just hop on your mat in the evenings or just before your bedtime and get started. So first up, we're going to start with my favorite Marjari Asana or the cat cow, where I stack my wrists directly under my shoulders and my knees are directly under my hips. The thighs are perpendicular to the ground, and from here taking a deep inhale, opening towards the sky, curving the back, the entire spinal column, feeling a good stretch, and protract your shoulders, toes pointed outwards, both the hips equidistant, pressing and pushing the floor away. This asana should be practiced by everyone, irrespective of their age groups. And best part about Marjari Asana is that it's working on all fours at the same time, not just on your spinal column, but also any kind of postural deviation if you have because of long seated or long standing hours. It corrects that, working on your thoracic, lumbar and tailbone area all at the same time. Easing out your pain, opening up and warming up your digestive organs, wrists, shoulders, legs, toes, all working at the same time. And then from here, gently open up your toes and come into a full plank posture. Now this time, navel is drawn towards your spine and weight is transferred actively on your wrists, palms and toes at the same time. And from here, heading into a chaturanga and into a nice gentle upward dog. If you're a beginner, I highly recommend dropping your thighs to the floor like this, stretching your entire back, neck, opening the shoulders, staying here for a long breath and exhaling out to a nice gentle downward dog. Now in the downward dog, try to curl and bend from your knees and pedaling your way forward to bring your heels all the way to the ground. As I said, if you're a beginner, no pushing, no stretching, just working your way forward into a consistent, easy practice to open up your hamstrings, quads, thighs, wrists, all at the same time. Staying here for a few deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Also a great stimulant for your thyroid gland and great for your leg muscles, digestive organs. Like actually downward dog creates like a digestive agni or fire. Digestive fire is actually essential for your body because Ayurveda says that 80% of your health is completely totally dependent on how your digestive organs function and work. And then from here, walking your way forward towards your hands, easing towards the hands, and this time you can keep your knees totally open. Both the feet is equidistant on hip width distance, and from here gently just rock and open and lengthen your spine once again, feeling a great flow and rush of blood towards your face, towards your heart. And this is an excellent posture once again, Uttanasana, to work on your abdominal fat, also lengthening and strengthening your spine, and elongation of spine is essential, and calming your brain, and also excellent for your hair growth, and also for your skin related problems, because it brings the blood flow very fluidly towards your skin, towards your face, towards your heart, and the blood that comes is fresh, it's oxygenated. And slowly from here, take your hands, interlace your fingers. This time we open up the shoulders, nice and easy. Try to bring your head towards your knees and drop your palms towards the floor like this, opening the shoulders nice and wide. Once again, lengthening the spine. The entire spinal column feels a great stretch here. Your breath reaching each and every vertebral column, opening up the spine, really taking away, melting away all the trapped blood, the trapped stress in your body, in your mind. And put your hands on the waist and gently, with the strength of your legs, no rush, no hurry, keep coming forward. And then from here we take a stance in Samasthiti, which is a still posture, bringing our feet together, hands towards the side of the body, and bending our knees like as if we're going to sit on a chair, raising our hands up in the sky, once again lengthening the spine and dropping the neck. Stay here once again for a few breaths. And drop your hands on the side and come back to your center. Let's do a quick warrior from Samasthiti. Open towards your right and pushing the knees down, pushing the hips actively forward, and keeping the vision towards your fingers like this. The right thigh should be parallel to the floor, and we go the other side. This time left knee is outward facing, the right foot is on 45-degree angle, bending forward from the knee, vision centered towards your left hand fingertips, and staying here for a few breaths. And using the strength of your legs, minimize the distance just a bit. And once again, this sequence is all about inversions, mild inversions I would say, which prepare you for further arm balances and inversions like Shirshasana. And dropping once again towards the floor, taking the support of your hands. Make sure that you don't point your feet outwards like this. They are either parallel to each other or folded inward like this. The idea is not to bring the contact of your head towards the floor, but to drop the head below the level of your heart, to feel and experience the benefits of inversion. Excellent hip opener. Feel a good stretch in your entire hamstrings, quads, glutes, hip flexors, abductors, and stay here for few breaths. Pushing the floor away from you with the help of your palms. Try to place your hands and come up with the strength of your legs and to your center. So this is an anytime, anywhere routine for especially people who are time pressed in the mornings. They can hop on their mat any time of the day they feel like and get started. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Also, put in your comments in the comment section below to help us understand what are the kind of videos you would like to watch more. And stay fit, stay healthy, stay strong. Bye guys.